It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we're doing another bike ride in Vietnam. We're doing Ha Giang Loop. It's a very famous like route here in the northern part of the Vietnam in the mountains. Very nice and unique mountains. You'll see they're very they jump up. It's not like the very big open mountains, it's just like the little high mountains. You'll see. We asked the agency before like how big is the group gonna be, because a bigger group means more risk, and they said like less than 10 people, but I think we're with 15 or 20 people. So but anyways, it's okay, everybody can ride, and also many people don't ride and they have the driver drive for them because they don't want to ride, because they don't have a license or they just are too scared or something. We're all on the little scooters, the I think 110cc Honda scooters, the Blade scooters, and I think you're gonna enjoy this video because it's very, very special. So let's go and ride this beautiful route.
A few moments later.
Saw the Honda CB500X. I always spot it right away. I wish I would have my Honda CB500X here to do this, but yeah, I can't. But this is a very nice road. Also the quality of the road. There is a lot of like little stones on the edges, but if you be careful, yeah, look at this windy road with the mountains. Wow, wow. Look at this. Look at Ming there. No, can't see him. It's funny, in Vietnam, if you see bigger bikes, like most of the people ride this, and then sometimes there's tourists that ride like what we would call the normal motorcycles, and mostly I see Honda CB500Xs. It's like the most common bigger motorcycle in Vietnam so far, and I've been here for more than 2 weeks, so yeah. I think it's a popular bike here in Vietnam. Yeah, look at these views. Look at these views. Wow. Hello. Huh? When we were at the top of the hill, it was quite alright, the temperature, but now we go down, it's getting very hot. And I've got the jacket on. Me and Sylvia are like the only ones with like a motorcycle jacket. Yeah, I guess it's normal, not every tourist is gonna bring the motorcycle jacket like us. Hello.
It's delicious.
Yeah, it's very. My pale skin. It's very tasty.
One humongous meal later.
I'm doing the Ha Giang Loop, and with Ming is our guide. So we're gonna have a good time. You're a good rider.
Very good driver.
3 days, right?
3 days, yeah. 3 days, 2 nights. So I will to bring everyone go to the most beautiful view of Vietnam.
Yeah.
In the Ha Giang.
I think so too. Yeah. Thank you, Ming.
You're welcome.
That's fun. Dat was leuk. Oh.